today we're going to learn about angles. Now, for those of you who've never heard of the word angle before, let's think back for a second to the shapes that we learned. We have a square and we have a circle. Can anyone think of a shape that has the word angle in its name?
Triangle.
Triangle, exactly. And a triangle gets its name partly because a triangle looks like this. It has three separate sides, and it also has three angles. And an angle is any point in which two lines come out from, and it's the shape that these 2 points make. So here's one angle, here's two angles, and here's the third angle. So to help us today, we're going to learn that angles can be categorized or grouped into 3 different groups. And we're going to learn the names of those groups by using a song. So the 3 names of our group are right angles, acute angles. Can everyone say these with me? So right angle.
Right angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
And obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle.
Okay, so a right angle, I'm going to show you an example, looks like this. It comes down and it's 90 degrees and it forms pretty much the corner of most normal things. So we can think of it as the corner of a door, the corner of our desk, or the corner of this notebook makes a right angle. An acute angle is smaller than a right angle. So we can think of this as the space between our fingers makes an acute angle. So if you forget, hold up your hand and remember that an acute angle has to have a smaller angle on this part than a right angle. Can everyone see that? Okay, and then an obtuse angle is our third angle that we're going to learn about today. And it's bigger than a right angle. So we can think of that as when we're looking at a clock, at 10:30, the hands on the clock make an obtuse angle. So to help us, we're going to sing our song, and the words are up here. Can everyone see the words? Okay, when I play the song, he'll sing it. Sing to the tune of bingo. Does everyone remember how the bingo song goes? We'll play it once and it repeats the song again, so if you don't get it the first time, it's okay. Just listen to your classmates, and then the second time around, you'll be able to do it.
Just like so, square corner, just like so, square corner, just like so, and righty was his name.
We're going to sing about the acute angle then. And everyone, put your hands home.
Was an angle, had a name, and acute was her name. Close and cute, just like so, close and cute, just like so, close and cute, just like so, and acute was her name.
Okay, for obtuse, remember the fingers. We're going to open our arms really wide, so remember that it's really big.
There was an angle, had a name, and obtuse was his name. Open wide, just like so, open wide, just like so, open wide, just like so, and obtuse was his name.
And we're going to go through it all again. Remember, for right, we'll make an L with our fingers. For the acute, we'll make a really skinny thing. For obtuse, we're going to open our arms really wide. Bet you learned that song. So, when you're doing your activity today, which I'll explain in just a second, and we'll practice together a little bit, you can always refer up to here. So we're going to remember obtuse angle is larger than a right angle. That's how we're going to remember it. And we have 2 things that help us remember it. What's one of the things that's going to help us remember how big an obtuse angle is?
Clock. 10:30.
Clock. The hands on the clock, when they say 10:30, make an obtuse angle. And the other thing is our song. And remember, our song said it's open wide, just like so. So those are words that can help us too. And a right angle is a square corner, which is, what is my example up there for a right angle?
A book.
A corner of a notebook or of a desk. We can even think of the door. So up here I have the words corner of a notebook to help us remember, and you can look there too, that that's what makes a right angle. And then an acute angle is going to be smaller than a right angle. And what are the words that we have? What about our example over there helps us to remember what an acute angle is?
Fingers.
The in between our fingers. And our song, which says that it's closed and cute. So we can think of it being really small, closed and cute. Okay, so now we're going to do guided practice.